To examine whether Moses splashed or sprinkled the blood of the sacrificed animals, have your Bible, I'm using the 2011 version of the NIV, open to Exodus 24 alongside the information tool. Click the word splashed in verse 6, or hover over it depending on the setting in the tool. Open the translation section of the tool to see how different translations handle this word, and as you can see, there is a wide variety. Open the Word Info section to see details of which Hebrew word is used. Then click the word sprinkled in verse 8 to update the tool. And there's a similar variety in translations and the same Hebrew word used. A couple of clicks has given us enough information to recognise that this isn't as clear as it might have seemed initially, and should encourage us to look deeper to understand what was really happening.